back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this kinky straight wig. I know I said straight and this is curled. Today's hair sponsor is LAMOURHAIRS. They sent me this 18-inch HD frontal wig. This is in a 13x6. Really deep parting space, 180% density, kinky straight. This time I'm going to leave the widow's peak on this unit just to show you guys what it looks like being installed, just to add some, you know, spice. Some spice. So I can tell that this lace is going to blend really nicely into my skin. That should make for a really nice install. Like, I'll spray the spray and then dry it just a little bit, but what you really need to do, you guys, is put the spray and dry it with the blow dryer to the point where that spray that you sprayed on your forehead or hairline is almost dry completely, and then stick the lace. Don't pull it down to stick it while it's still pretty wet, because it's going to just create a lot more mess for you, and like the cleaning up process is going to be a lot more. So I just noticed, like, when I do that, it works better because it creates more of a tacky, sticky surface where, you know, it just adheres to the wig right away. This is why it's really important to really clean off your hairline before you put the spray, because your makeup will come through. Like right here, you guys can see the makeup is showing on the lace and on the hair. So obviously I didn't do a good enough job removing the makeup beforehand. Now some of you guys might say, well, why don't you just put on your makeup after? And girl, I say to that, you guys don't want to see me looking like that on camera, believe me. For those of you who are new to my channel and you may be wondering like why I didn't use a ball cap underneath, I don't like to use ball caps. I just prefer not to use them. And I find that, you know, they always like show through in these really good like HD lace wigs. It shows through no matter what. You can't disguise it. So for me, I can achieve the same look without a ball cap as you would get with a ball cap. So personally, I don't see why I should use a ball cap if I don't need one. Get what I'm saying? guys, so I tested out a strand and I wanted to see how the wig curls. We're gonna go ahead and curl this unit. Does work, but it produces a looser curl. I want to go for a bigger curl today, so let's try with this. Yeah, so it looks like I'm getting the best result from my flat iron. I'm going over this section again with the curling one after I curled it with the curling iron, because it just gives a more defined curl once that curl is curled, if that makes sense. I don't know, you guys, it makes sense to me, so it's hard to explain, but yeah, that's why.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut.
As you guys can see, I'm wearing this wig in a curled style. I really wanted to put this wig to the test. Now, you've seen me recently do a straight kinky wig, but this time with this unit, I really wanted to see how it looks curled, and oh my goodness, you guys, is it ever beautiful. Now, the density on this unit, like I said in the earlier portion, is 180%, and she is definitely very full. Even without being curled, it was full. And you guys, what I really love about this unit is it comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, so you don't have to do anything. We did an out-of-the-box install, and today I left this wig 100% like it came. I even left the widow's peak. Let me know what you guys think of the widow's peak on me. I usually cut that portion off, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like styled like that. It's giving natural hairline. I'm here for it. I love the fact that I didn't have to do any plucking on this unit, and it fit my head really well. It almost felt like it was made just for me. It is a medium size, and I would say, yeah, it's a perfect fit. There is some room in the back as well, so if you have a lot of hair or you wear braids underneath, you can still get away with the wig being very comfortable. I don't feel like I have a wig on. I definitely don't feel like I have a frontal wig on. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So this is what the back looks like. I love the curls. Now on this kinky wig, the curls are gonna stay on this unit. So when you curl this wig, it's gonna last all day because the hair is more like a coarse texture. Don't let that deter you from getting a unit like this, because as you guys can see, it is looking so soft. It's almost hard to tell that it is kinky at this point. Like, you might be able to see the more of the kinks at the front, but once you go down the mid shaft to the ends of the hair, you'll notice how silky smooth this wig is. As I'm running my hands through it, it's not snagging or tangling, even though it is curled and even though it is a kinky texture. I am loving this unit. It does look like it's almost like layered, because when you see the curls, it almost goes like on an angle. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. That HD lace is definitely giving HD, and we are here for it. You guys should definitely check out LAMOURHAIRS. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys. Click the link, check the lengths, check the different options that they have. If you guys have any questions or comments for me, leave them in the comment section below. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you made it this far into the video, you are the MVP of the day. I really do appreciate you, and I want to say thank you again. I gotta run. I'll catch you in a video real soon. Bye for now.
Can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better.